Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Toni and Singh continues the Miss World journey. Miss Jamaica World 2019, Toni and Singh officially departed to London to participate in the 69th staging of the Miss World pageant. Before departing from the Norman Manley International Airport on Tuesday, Toni shared that she feels no pressure representing Jamaica.
I'm not somebody that is going to go over there and be so focused on winning. First, I've never been to England, so I have to enjoy myself. Second of all, I think that focus of winning is usually what causes a loss. So I'm going to go over there, I'm going to give it my best, and whatever God has in store is wonderful. And if it is a win, after 26 years, then I'm more than willing to be the vessel. And if it's a lesson for me or just the experience, then I'm grateful. I'm not nervous about being, as Jamaican as possible. I'm ready to go over there and let them know that we are resilient, like about Talawa Island.
The 23-year-old St. Thomas native also outlined details of her Beauty with a Purpose project.
So working with the Women's Centers of Jamaica, we're trying to raise funds to send all of them to school so they can complete their education and then reintegrate them into society, because we know that everything starts in the mind. So getting them prepared to finish this education and to become the best versions of themselves.
Beauty with a Purpose is a centerpiece of the Miss World pageant, which aims to reward contestants for their charitable efforts. Toni and Singh, the 58th woman to represent Jamaica in the Miss World pageant, will compete against more than 100 candidates from around the world for the Miss World 2019 title in London, England on December 14. Created in 1951, Miss World is the oldest running international beauty pageant.
Hello Jamaica, we're heading out to London, England. Please pray for me.
Good luck, Toni. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.